try our mobile app. You're more than welcome. And these are our co-founders and co-CEOs.
So, so right now is the Breezm app. Is it launching in the United States yet, or where?
So we are launching in March. First through Indiegogo or Kickstarter.
Okay.
We'll decide which platform suits better. But we have 5 storefronts in Korea, and we are, VC-backed startups.
Yeah.
United States, it's our first base for the global expansion, but it's going to be, much larger than we already are.
So, just for the recording, what they do is they 3D print glasses for you after you use the app to be able to see what the...
Exactly. I mean, we can start from here. So let's try this. Empty the tray. And then let's go. Start a new session. This is our new mobile app. And
Yep.
hit start and continue. We measure. So actually, we have to, remove your mask and you remove your glasses. And then now, let's see. Okay, this is this, and then you just move, shake your head, yep, like that, and then we will see. And then these are your best matches based on this is just a demonstration.
Sure.
So let's see how that works. Okay, so we picked this 4-on, and then compare. We click on it. And then you just these are 4 recommendations. You're moving your head like that.
Mm-hmm.
And then, if you want to see, this one for example. And then we're going back.
It's okay.
And then just click on this, try on. And then, you can do, again.
Yeah. Needs a face,
glasses.
yep.
Yeah. And then without glasses.
Oh.
I mean, without your glasses. Exactly the same.
Much more natural.
Yeah, and then scan your face. That. Yeah.
Okay.
So let's not try too hard, but yep. And then you just try to. And then these are our sample, and then we print the glasses of the HP.
Right.
Yep. And then these are the sample. Super light. Titanium.
Polyamide and tempo is titanium.
Wow.
So we have 7 different sizes to fit any size of face.
Sure.
Also, our designers take care of all the details for your nose place.
Mm-hmm.
Right.
Also, the ear height. So you can get your fully customized eyeglasses in 3 weeks.
That's cool.
There's a different nose pads. It's a titanium nose pad. So did you know only 70% of people actually fit for conventional eyewear? We all push our face into unfit, misfit glasses.
Yep.
And then I didn't know that. I mean, I have relatively wider, structure. I always have problems
Sure.
with glasses. And some people have big nose, low nose, crooked ears and stuff. So these solved all that problem, at once.